Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, escaping literal quotes in strings. When you are defining a string, you must start and end with a single or double quotes. What happens when you need a literal quote, that is double quotes or single quote inside of your string? In JavaScript, you can escape a quote from considering it as an end of a string code by placing a backslash in front of the code. So we can see the example here where sample string in quotes Alan said, and after that we are using backslash so that it doesn't understand this string at the end of the string, this code at the end of a string. Instead, it will use it like normal character within the string, and same way this is also written, so it will escape it also, and it will terminate the string after say watching this code here which doesn't have backslash before it. This signals to the JavaScript that the following code is not the end of the string but should instead appear inside the string. So if you were to print this to console, you would get Alan said in double quotes, Peter is learning JavaScript. The task for this challenge, use backslashes to assign a string to my str variable so that if you were to print it to the console, you would see I am a double quoted string inside double quotes. So we can do this by this way: I am a, afterward backslash double quote double quoted, and afterward again backslash and quotes string inside, again backslash quote double quote and again backslash and double quote and full stop, that is period. So it should work. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.